Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. This is your host, Pran CEO here at Gen Z. Welcome to our video about local SEO and SEO consultancy. So, as SEO consultants, we're responsible for advising our clients about the newest algorithm updates, as well as implementing that on their websites using our SEO strategy, much like how we did for our own website, Gen Z. I'm assuming you found us while searching for local SEO consultants or SEO consultants in general. Local SEO is crucial for businesses to rank in their respective cities. As a small business owner, it's hard to compete with some of the bigger, larger national and international companies. But local SEO is one of the few ways that you could compete with these companies because search engines like Google prefer small local businesses and as they have an easier time ranking than, say, a company that's trying to rank for 25 locations in Canada. I mean, we did it, but it's significantly harder, right? So this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm sure you can look around the website and check out all the resources we have about SEO or other services, local SEO. And yeah, cheers. Have a great day.